First and breaking at 4, Governor Kemp announcing legislation that would ban mask mandates in Georgia schools.
CBS 46 Capitol reporter Haley Mason just met with the governor about this new plan. Haley, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Sean. We just talked with the governor about an hour ago on his new plan to ban mask mandates in Georgia schools. He took to Twitter earlier saying that some state school districts are, quote, ignoring the science and following politics. He thinks it should be left up to parents to decide whether their children should wear masks in state public schools. Now, here's a look at Governor Kemp just within the last hour discussing this issue with us today. He says in the coming days, his office will be rolling out legislation to ban mask mandates in Georgia schools. He says it's time because COVID numbers are going down in Georgia, and Kemp says parents are frustrated that young children still have to wear face masks. Governor Kemp has repeatedly said that he is in support of local control. He offered that as his reasoning not to impose mask mandates statewide throughout the pandemic. But Kemp says today he is still for local control, but thinks that parents should be the ones making decisions on if their kids should wear masks in school. Here is the governor speaking about this issue just in the last hour.
People are just beyond frustrated. Nobody seems to be following the data and the science anymore. They're following the politics. And at this point in the pandemic, it is my belief that parents have the tools that they need to best take care of their children. And, you know, that's why I think we should just let parents decide whether their kids need to be masked or not.
Now, Governor Kemp says he will be working with lawmakers in the Capitol, and he plans to introduce this legislation in the coming days. Meanwhile, next hour, we met with the governor to talk about rising homicides and gang violence that he says he's trying to tackle. We'll have more on that story coming up at CBS 46 News at 5. For now, reporting live outside of the state capitol, Haley Mason, CBS 46.